Back guys, so in this video I'm going to show you real quick how to set up the Proxy001 using the Superproxy app. Okay, so first things first, you are going to come to their website proxy001.com. okay, proxy 001 .com. Then once you are on the website, you can simply click on this sign up with Google and create an account, or you can just go to their menu button. All right, so this should be easy. So after you've created your account, what you are going to do is to log into your account. Okay, so you can still sign in using the same process. So what we are going to do is log into our account. So I'm already logged in, so let me go to my account dashboard. So I'm logged in, so I'm going to click on this user management. But once you are logged in, it's supposed to take you to the dashboard directly. Okay, this is my dashboard currently. Okay, this is my dashboard currently. So to use your IP, you are going to come to where? Okay, first things first, you are going to redeem your CD key. Let me show you how to buy the CD key first. So to buy your CD key, you are going to come to this website, proxy.theprice.com.ng. okay, you come to this website, create an account, then you scroll down to the last part. Okay, scroll down till you see Proxy001. this is the last product here currently. This is Proxy001. you click on it. Okay, so you buy your gigabyte plan. That's 1 gigabyte is 2,700. you buy it, so you add to cart, then you make your purchase. Okay, so once you make your purchase, you will get the CD key. Okay, you will get the CD key. So you can actually use these buttons to actually go to the Proxy001 website. Okay, you can click here to create your account. Okay, if you want to create an account, you can click here. This is a link. Or you can click here after creating your account now to redeem your CD key. Okay, so this is the link to the page that you're going to generate the IP details after redeeming your CD key. Okay, so all the links are here on the site. Okay, so but let's go back, assuming we are not following the link. So once you come to the website, you are going to see this residential proxies. Okay, click on this residential proxy. It's going to show you this. So you click on this get age. Okay, let's redeem. Sorry, we are going to redeem. So you click on this redeem CD key first. I'm very sorry, we skipped a step. We are going to click on this redeem CD key. So once you click on redeem CD key, so the key that you got from the website, and after you make your purchase, this is where you are going to put it, paste it here, then click on this redeem now. So after you redeem it, it's going to be on your balance. So let's go back to here, residential. Click on residential, you click on get agent. Okay, get agents. So once you click on get agent, it will take you to this page where you are going to generate your IP details. I want to get CD key for you. I need to get IP for you. Let me go. So this is where you are going to see your balance. After you are supposed to see your balance here, but I have 0 gigabytes. So let me redeem a CD key real quick. So to be fast, you can just click on here, redeem CD key. Okay, it just brought us back to that page, right? Let me paste the key that I got. Okay, and click on redeem. I've successfully redeemed the CD key. Okay, so now let's go back to the page. All right, let's go back to the page, residential, get agents. Okay, so now you can see I have 1 gigabyte here now. All right, I have 1 gigabyte here now. So let us connect. Okay, so GB, United Kingdom. I like using United Kingdom for my examples. Okay, so let us select the states, England. Okay, let's select the city we want. Which city should I? Let's select this, Birmingham. Then this rotating is best you put it as sticky. Okay, then you select the highest duration here. I think this can go for like 3 hours. That's 180 minutes. So we'll select the 180 minutes. Always select sticky and go for the highest duration. Okay, So this proxy address, since I'm going for EU, let me just pick, since UK is in Europe, let me just pick EU. If the continent you are looking for is not there, you can actually leave it, okay? You can actually leave it as what it is. All right, so let us click on this generation. After we've selected everything, right, you have selected the country, you have selected the state, you have selected the city we want, okay, and we have selected sticky. Make sure your session is always sticky. Then you will select duration for 180. So if only people that use that rotating is people that do all this scraping there, because they will love their IP to be changed every minute, okay? But you don't want that, since it's based depending on your work you are doing here though. So you want the highest your IP can stay. Alright, so after you select everything, now you are going to click on this generation, okay? Let us generate. Okay, it has given us all the IP details. So we're going to copy one from this list. Okay, this is the full list, so we're going to copy one from here. Just click on copy. We copy the first one only. Okay, we click on copy. We have copied one. Okay, so let us go and separate them now before we use them in our Superproxy app. Okay, so these are the details we copied. Like I always say, when you look at it, the first one with the link is always the server. The number that follow is always the port. Okay, then this long one that you will see GB, the country and the state inside. Okay, this is the username. Okay, then the last one is the password. Okay, there are some sites that you are going to see separate arrangement, but basically all of them have the same procedure. You will see the IP, the port, the username, and the listing. So the only thing separating them is this column in between. Okay, is it column? Is column, this column in between. That's the only thing separating each detail. Okay, so now let us go and install our Superproxy app. So we head to Play Store. Okay, if you are using iPhone, you can still do you go to Apple Store. Superproxy is on Apple Store also. That's why I like using it for tutorials. Okay, so you search for Superproxy. So once you search for Superproxy, open you install, then open. Okay, after installing, then you click on this. I didn't do that. So you click on this add proxy down here. Click on add proxy. So now let us go, and so this protocol now, sometimes it will not be showing you SOX5. Make sure you select SOX5. Okay, so let us go back to our IP details that we copied. I use my WhatsApp for it. Okay, so this first one, like we said, is the server. Okay, this is the server. Let us copy it. Sometimes it will come as number for some sites. All right, let us copy it. We'll paste it here. Okay, so let us copy the port. This number that follows is the port. This column doesn't really mean anything, so you can always delete the column. It's only in Tune tab that they use this thing. So now the next thing is, since is left for username and password, right? So you click on this authentication, click on this place, and select username and password. Okay, select. Okay, so let us go back. This is our username, like I said before. All right, let us go back and copy our password. Man, my battery is almost flat. Okay, these are everything is in place now. So you click on this button by the top right here. This is the save button. You click on save, then you click on start.
When Tolu opened his...
Okay, we are now connected. Okay, so since we are now connected, the next thing we are going to do is to go back and check our IP. Okay, let us go and check our IP. We use hoa.net. Okay, to see whether we have changed, but normally we are already connected. You can see the key button at the top, so we are already connected. So reload. What happened? This thing is not opening now. Let me see if it opens any other thing. Does it open Google? And how come is Hoa not opening? Hoa.net. Okay, so it happens like this. Virgin Media IP used to block Hoa.net, so let us use another IP. Let us use another IP checker. Which one am I using? Self. What is my IP? Okay, let us use IP info. Okay, as you can see, it is showing the what's it called? This is UK, this is London, UK, London, England. That is the ISP is Virgin Media. So mostly there are some ISPs in the UK that already block Hoa.net. So no matter what, Hoa.net will not open on this site. Okay. So I think that's basically it. So you can see we are connected. It is working fine. So that's basically it. That's how to connect the Proxy001 gigabyte plan using Superproxy. Alright, see you guys in the next video.